This is how you make hot Cheeto grilled cheese while living in your car. Welcome to Migraine Fridays. Oh, I said that too loud. That light is too bright. Get it out of my eyes. I may have a migraine, but I still need to eat. So welcome to $10 Budget with Corneliuson. Making an idea from last night's live. This is way too much butter for what I need, but it is the cheapest butter. 2 sticks, $1.97. Phew! Holy cow, I haven't bought chips in forever. Did not know they were this expensive. Flaming Hot Cheetos, $4.38 for this bag. $4.38! Kobe Jack, $2 for this block. $1.32. Welcome to the kitchen. Wow, this is amazing. For $10.28, that's not that bad. Remember, you can do it too. And also remember, create, challenge, become. Thanks for watching.